Good day, my friends. I'm Brian Pods, and this is another episode of Ask TFT. Today's question is this: what nozzle is best for your ground monitor? Well, it depends. You'll want to consider your water supply, the potential hazards in your response district, and your SOPs or SOGs. So if your water supply is inconsistent and you are solely reliant on a static water source like a dump tank or lake, for example, you want to consider an automatic fog nozzle because the baffle of this nozzle will adjust to your specific water supply at any given time. So whether you're flowing a low rate of 100 GPM or a high rate of 500 GPM, the water will still have a good reach and good impact force to ultimately reach your target. If you don't have those challenges with water supply and solely want to hit it hard with a full 500 GPM with no BS, an 1 3/8 smoothbore tip will give you 500 GPM at 80 PSI. The potential hazards in your response district will also lead you to a fog versus smoothbore discussion. So for example, if you have industrial hazards that present the need for a fog pattern, especially for pressurized fuel fires, vapor suppression, or even just cooling an LP tank or something similar, you will want to consider a master stream fog nozzle for your monitor. If you are dedicating your portable attack monitor to an aggressive fire attack or even defensive operations for structural firefighting, a master stream smoothbore tip, again, such as the 1 3/8 tip, will allow that high flow delivery of 500 GPM at only 80 PSI. Evaluate options, ask questions, and think about the specific needs in your response district. That will ultimately lead you to the right tool for your department. Thanks for your questions today, and keep them coming in at tft.com/contact.